Running a successful livestock operation is no easy task. Livestock producers face constant challenges and elements that affect the success of their livelihood. Thanks to the partnership between Nebraska-based Barger drone and Senseology, livestock producers can now better manage their livestock using semi-autonomous drones to quickly find problems. In 2020, Barger drone will be deploying cutting-edge drones which cut labor expenses and save time. This technology gives you access to video and images of your herd quickly without having to drive to each location. Harness the power of Senseology's livestock report to get fast and easy data on each pasture on your computer or mobile device after the drone flies itself around your property. Information such as whether water sources are functioning properly, location of livestock, count of livestock, if an animal is isolated or appears to be laying down in the same place for a long period, or a calving cow, will be at your fingertips wherever you may be. With the ability to capture data and footage of your livestock while flying up to 35 miles per hour during a flight time of 25 minutes, these drones will lower your labor and vehicle expenses. You will find problems with herd health quickly. Saving 1 or 2 animals before a problem turns into an emergency pays for the system. Setup is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, the user sets up waypoints for the pasture or feed yard. Then, those waypoints are stored in the app for future identical flights. Finally, the pilot simply launches the drone. Sit back and watch how the drone automatically captures photos and video. Currently, the app uses current DJI and Parrot drones. Soon you'll be able to take advantage of Senseology's longer-range drones engineered specifically for harsh Midwest conditions. Working closely with cattlemen and understanding their demands, Nebraska-based Barger drone is devoted to bringing livestock operation solutions to livestock producers. Partnering with Senseology taps its years of experience designing and deploying long-range drones worldwide. Senseology specializes in using leading-edge sensors and components designed specifically for your industry. Crop farming has used remote technology for years. Livestock producers deserve access to critical data using the latest sensing technology to help save labor and equipment expenses. Management decisions made quickly when waters are empty, a cow can't have a calf, or an animal is sick can be the difference between profit and loss. Gain peace of mind that your herd is watered and healthy. If you're interested in beta testing in the Midwest in 2020, contact Barger Drone. Barger Drone and Senseology, bringing you the future of technology today.